it's worn out, it's throwaway stage. Or is it? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to get another year out of this roller sleeve. Now this one's used for ceiling paint and undercoats. The good thing is it's metal, you see. Look at that. Let's do the same to this end. It's metal. You can't hurt it. They wear out at the end. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Look at that. Throwaway. But is it? That's the thing. How am I going to get this usable again? Because this is a great sleeve, but as you can see here, it's giving way. It's getting a line through there. It's not so good, and to be honest with you, I can't get close to the frames anymore when I'm undercoating. I just can't get in close. You'll notice when I'm undercoating, it's staying away from the frames too much. What we need is a handsaw or a drop saw. If you've got a carpenter on job site, you can get him just to put it in his drop saw and go thump, and take an inch off each end. Now, if you take an inch off each end, you're going to have a brand new roller sleeve. You're going to get in nice and close. It's going to be awesome. And that's what we do. We just cut that inch off. And now we've got fluff. Look at that. Looks like a new roller sleeve. That's the old one. You see how it wears out at the end? And look at that now. I can trim this off with a little bit of scissors or something like that just to get it nice. We're going to cut the other end off now. Now these roller sleeves are about $50 each, so you really want to get some use out of them. So I've just taken off the bad piece. Look at that. And just get some scissors, give it a little trim, and that's the end again now. Now you might get a little tiny bit of fluff come off the first time you use it, but it's pretty good. You wouldn't believe that's the same roller sleeve. You trust me, when you use this roller sleeve now, it's going to be nice. You're going to get up close to the edges again. It's going to be awesome. Another helpful tip from the painter. Bye.